Hey guys, today we are doing this Mega Science Series Amazing Reactions chemistry set by National Geographic.
Experiment.
Make a colorful bouncy ball.
Ooh, that's going to be fun. Okay, so first it says to assemble the bouncy ball mold, which is right
How
there.
does this go in?
Snap it together.
Oh.
Awesome.
Won't.
It won't go in? It says snap it together. Don't break it, of course, because then the ball would not work. Do you need help? Or did you get it? I think you got it.
There we go.
All right, so
Spinny!
now we need to pick we need to get it's bouncy ball polymer powder, but inside you have individual little packets of different colors. So colorful. Pink and blue.
And my favorite.
Green. Wow, that's going to be a pretty ball. Okay.
Not just straight powder, it's
well,
powder.
They are powder inside little baggies.
Yeah, well, a bag and a bag.
Okay, so now it says pick your first color. Which color you want?
Of course, this one.
Okay, so then it says to pour the entire bag into your little ball mold. I don't know if we need that tray, do we?
It's better to have it.
Why are you doing that? If you need scissors, would scissors be easier? Just cut across the top?
Yep. That's what bring them over.
That way you don't have to worry about them spilling everywhere when you try to pop it open. Just, okay. I guess you can do it that way.
And I can pour it from the side, maybe? I don't have to cut more.
Why?
Because it won't go in all the way. I have to cut more. Oh, at the top. That will go in.
Okay. Then it says get your next color that you're going to want.
Blue. And this is going to be a very rainbowy bouncy ball. Hold it. And get this open. Oh, now it will just peel open. Keep it slow, keep it slow. And look at that. It's almost full. Oh, no, it's not. Now,
shake it down.
Last one. Why won't it cut now? You know what? I will have to.
No. Do it right. It's the way you had your scissors, I think.
Okay, that works.
Uh-oh. We have an overfill going on?
Pat. Not much left now. And this, because this is
Hold up.
Don't mix it.
Just a minute. I'm not. You want it streaked?
Yes, I want the layers. Ah, shoot.
Wow.
Okay.
I wonder if we're supposed to pack it down.
Shoot.
It just says
Let me pack it down.
mush. That'll make it a nice firm ball.
Oh, my finger. Ow.
That'll make it more. Oh, hold on. Help.
Hold it.
I just. Wait.
You know, I can just pour it in if all of it spills, so I can just dump it in again.
Whoops.
I had to.
I guess we don't pack it in like I was trying to pack it in, because that apparently,
I don't pack it in at all, probably. It's so hard.
Let me see.
It has powder in between.
We'll just to separate it and clean it out. We are on again. We have put the powder.
I got some powder in here.
And we put some in a cup, poured it from there to the cup, and then we found ourselves a funnel that we could use, or something that we can use as a funnel. Well, you got to lift it up and then kind of just gently tap, see if it'll go through, unless the polymer is too thick. Is it going at all? The hole might be too small in that funnel.
Yeah, it's clogged.
What?
There we go.
Is
we
it
have
coming
some
out?
action now, yep.
It's going to be forever. Oh, wait, it's coming out. Oh, yeah, here you go.
Yeah, I said. Don't pack it, don't.
Gently, because, and maybe...
I don't know how this is even working.
Remember not to pack too hard, please. That was the mistake I made. Okay, so now it says to fill that cup right there, the tall cup. Make sure it's empty of polymer, I guess, and then fill it with cold water. Not overflowing full.
No, I'm rinsing out the polymer.
Then about an inch or something. Doesn't have to be.
And what is an inch? This?
A little bit more. This? It's got to totally submerge the polymer.
This?
That's good, that's good, that's good. So.
I don't want to place it in the tray. Wait,
well,
what? All floats in the top.
Why are we soapy looking? Is maybe the polymer? Did the polymer do that?
No, maybe there's some soap.
No, there is not soap there. I think the polymer made it bubbly. Okay, so we're going to fill it back up.
Or it's just the bubbles from the...
All right, that's good. That's fine. Don't worry about all that. It's fine.
That was hissing at me.
All right, we're going to take this cup, though, and we're going to put it over here out of the way because we want to conduct other experiments while we're waiting for this, because we have to... Not on the paper towel, please. Thank you. Can you put it maybe over here? That would be dandy. All right, so then we're going to drop this in, and it says that we have to wait 20 minutes. It has to sit in this water.
Let all the air out.
For 20. Why is it? It's not even going down. I feel like it's going to float. Wait, I feel like it. No, I'm not holding it for 20 minutes. I think that's fine. I hope it.
Okay. And then after the 20 minutes, we're going to turn on the camera. Then we have to wait another 15 minutes.
Okay, so it says that has to sit for 20 minutes to let it harden, essentially. I will. So some of the most important and interesting polymers are structured like a long chain. The DNA that stores all the genetic information for a living organism is a polymer, as is the hair on your head and the silk in a spider's web. Man-made polymers include rayon, nylon, and polyester, materials often used to make clothing. Fascinating. Okay, so come on. I don't know what you're doing.
I just want to show them my turtle.
This is an experiment video.
I know. Well, they have probably never seen my turtle.
Okay, so he wants to show his musk turtle to everybody today, too. His little musk turtle. Don't let him bite you.
He will bite. Okay, that's enough.
Yes, he's not a happy turtle at the moment. Okay, so we will check back in about 20 minutes to see. Actually, we're going to have to do for the next step. In 20 minutes, we'll come back for the next step that we have to do here.
Yep.
So we're back to get the ball out of this mold 20 minutes later, and we have to set it on this paper towel. Just pull it out and set it on the paper towel. And set it on the paper towel, and we'll just leave it there. It says for another 15 minutes to allow it to dry. It is fine. It's not going to go anywhere. It's solid now. Or it's gel-like, I should say, but it has to dry while sitting on this paper towel to harden, in other words. Wouldn't hurt to probably leave it even a little longer than 15 minutes, because then you know for sure that it's hard. All right. We will be checking on that again later. Okay, so this is the polymer ball in our mold, and we discovered not to have it tip sideways when it was drying because all the stuff would spill out. So,
got it.
We are pulling it out, and it is still a little bit tacky.
Bounce?
Go ahead.
Boing, boing.
It does bounce. It's not a super bouncy ball just yet. I think it still needs more drying time. We actually had to, wait
4 or 5 hours, and now it's stuck.
It's not quite ready.
It's stuck.
Instead of the 15 minutes they were saying, for some reason. I don't know why. Well, don't do that. So yes, I think it needs to dry some more. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow it'll be.
Oh yeah, definitely
totally
tomorrow.
Dry.
Yeah, it will be past dry actually tomorrow. And like now I have a free mold.
Awesome.
It's a ball mold, which goes to nothing now because we ran out of polymer.
Yep, can't do that experiment more than one time.
Only a one-time experiment.
Yes, but it's still a pretty colorful ball. It's pretty. All right.
Because why it's so colorful is because we had difficulty pouring it all in here.
I think. Yes.
And it all mixed instead of layer. Well,
Right. Otherwise, it would
still
have been just
a rainbow. Like, come on, it's so cool.
Okay. That is it for our polymer ball.
Bye. Please like and subscribe. We are back with the bouncy ball, and it has been 24 hours later. Let's see.
Where is it? My camera is having a hard time following that.
Let's see.
Maybe. Why?
Oh!
I can't even. I hope it sees it because I can't.
Oh.
Roll it. Or I don't know. Whoa. So it's strong now.
Oh, there's an Arby.
Oh, we dropped an Arby. Where'd the ball? Oh, man. Did you make the ball go behind the fridge? Well, it's behind the fridge or under the stove. No, we're not going to tear everything apart right this second. Okay. Well, in any case, it held together and it was bouncy. Awesome.
Bye. Please like and subscribe.